As an affiliate, you want to maximize your profit. So ideally, you want to find markets that are successful for both pay-per-click and SEO. So the question is it still worthwhile selling in a market where you can only make money with only one of these methods? In this lesson, we look at understanding market interactions. Pay-per-click doesn't always work. Generally speaking, if you're making lots of money with pay-per-click, you'll also make good money with SEO. However, the opposite isn't always true. For example, the website haircutadvice.com ranks very highly in the search engines and receives lots of visitors, but it only profits from internal advertising. When we tested pay-per-click, the results were dismal. It turns out that although there are thousands of people searching on haircut keywords, they aren't looking to buy anything. And this means they very rarely click on ads. Nevertheless, this website, which is largely made up of free content, still makes some money through CPA offers and Google AdSense, so it's not all bad. How to predict the market? You might be wondering whether there is any way that you can predict this situation when researching markets. Well, the answer is yes, to a certain extent. For example, you can see evidence that the hairstyle market is SEO weighted when you search for the words haircut advice or hairstyle advice in the search engines. There are very few, if any, pay-per-click ads on display, yet there are over 1 million websites containing information and pictures. You may well find other markets like this at some stage, markets with high numbers of people searching on the keywords, yet with very little pay-per-click advertising. You shouldn't reject these markets out of hand, so it can be worth your while putting together a website and earning income from SEO. Albeit a smaller income than you would earn from a market that makes money from both pay-per-click and SEO. SEO is your fallback position. If you're unable to profit from pay-per-click, but you've done everything right on your site, then you can still aim to get lots of traffic and make money that way. How SEO can help improve your pay-per-click? The advantage of SEO is that you can experiment with dozens of search terms without any expense, whereas this is much more costly with pay-per-click. Although your website may only rank for a small number of search terms early on, at a later stage you might find you're ranking highly for long-tail keywords that you hadn't even thought of. Google Analytics is an essential tool in this situation because it shows you all the keywords people searched on that led them to your site. Reviewing this information can help you spot new search terms to bid on in pay-per-click, and there's a better chance they'll be profitable terms. This strategy is particularly useful if you're listing on page 2 or more of search results and wish to get greater visibility for that particular term. How pay-per-click can help improve your SEO? As we've learnt in previous lessons, pay-per-click can be a costly learning curve for affiliates. However, if you can afford to invest the money, you'll find that being able to analyze the data from your pay-per-click campaigns is enormously beneficial, not only for improving your ads, but also for improving your SEO. Chances are, if you're making lots of money in pay-per-click, then you'll also make a lot of money in search engine listings. As many as 80% of search engine users will click on the natural listings rather than pay-per-click. So it's worth transferring the market information you learn from pay-per-click to your website. For example, you might find that Stop German Shepherd Aggression profits wildly in pay-per-click. Now that you know this is a successful keyword, you can make a big effort to optimize your website for that term and cash in on the free traffic too. And today's lesson summary. If you can succeed with pay-per-click in a market, you can usually succeed with search engine optimization also. But the reverse isn't always true. You can often find out by doing a quick search and seeing whether a keyword is heavily SEO'd or has a balance of pay-per-click and SEO sites. However, don't completely disregard markets that look bad for pay-per-click. Many other marketers will, which leaves you room to build a site to take advantage of the market and gain an, albeit small, income. And that's all we've got time for, so thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.